Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now just tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Auto Correction. This way you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!